Welcome. Kirkwood Aviation Maintenance Hangar. Good to have you.
All right, so we've got several stations here on different projects. It's like a mini look at what we do in the day in the life of an aircraft mechanic. So we'll just take you guys around, show you the different stations, some riveting, some bending of tubing, safety wiring, which is huge. So we'll show you how to safety wire some bolts together.
Open up the door.
Yeah, at some point when we're finished up with these hands-on projects, you guys can roam around, do photos, whatever you'd like.
This is a magneto. It's essentially what makes the spark plugs spark.
To get this to start, we're going to start rotating this motor, which is going to rotate the magneto. You should see sparks along these 6 leads right here. That's simulating an idling aircraft engine. It's going to be just divide you guys evenly into 4 groups. Those jaws end up sliding up and expanding, and they hold the 2 pieces of sheet metal together. Okay? We're going to squeeze. It usually takes like 2 or 3 full squeezes before the stem pops off. Okay, I did 1.
That's it. That's cool.
Good.
This job?
Yeah. There we go. So, and do the same thing as like
If you pull this,
plant.
there's still space there.